Designing a professional and highly converting Shopify product page is one of the most important things to increase your conversion rate, increase the amount of customers that you have on your store, and therefore increase the amount of profit that you actually make. I'm going to go through right now how I would make a product page every single time when we start a new store and the process that is. We're going to go through the product page, the home page, the contact us pages, the policies, make sure that your store's ready to go, ready to set live, and let's go through this right now. I'm going to get straight stuck in. There's going to be no fluff, none of that. We're going to get right into what you need to know. So first things first is the product page. It's the most important thing. Let's get right into it. For the product page, you can add your first product here. So you can click add product on the products tab. You can add in whatever your product is. We'll get into the description in a minute. You can add in the product title, the images that you find of Amazon, Alibaba, AliExpress, wherever you find the images. Put in the price and the compare at price, which you should have already worked out, and then click save and make sure it's set as active, right? What I'm going to do to show you quickly how to set up a new page is I'm going to quickly put over a custom product file just to show you exactly what we're dealing with. So here's an example that I've already made up, so I don't want to bore you making a huge long product page. So import products, and let me get this in and show you how we structure the product pages. And again, guys, this is one of the most important parts of the whole process. It's this, the product, the actual website, and then the ads. They're the three most important things. So once we get this added here, it's going to be in here. So this is an exercise vest. That's the product that I've chosen for this example. And let's go through this product page. The main thing we'll always start with is a bold headline. So this is storage, safety, and comfort. Let me make this bigger. Storage, safety, and comfort. That's the main parts that we have found from this product that people actually want from it. We found this out through the reviews. Then we'll go in and give either features or benefits, the main ones right here below, with a little description of that feature or benefit. So for example, this exercise vest comes with convenient storage, a universal phone holder, and it's safety first with its reflective strips, okay? And it just basically goes in and explains what each of these terms mean and how that can benefit them as a customer. Then what we'll do underneath that, make sure you get an image under there, ideally a feature point out, but any other really good image that really shows the product is great. Then we'll go in to each of these separate points and we'll go into more detail. So hassle-free access. What's the actual benefit to the consumer here? Is hassle-free access to your phone, to your water, and it's convenient as well. Okay, so again, describing what this benefit here actually is and what it does for the consumer. Again, the safety aspect, be seen, be saved. And again, a little description with a image that shows this off really well. Then for this product, we've got a wear anywhere, anytime. This is just basically letting people know who can actually wear this product. So it can be runners, it can be walkers, it can be hikers, it can be cycling. Sometimes really pointing out exactly who this product is made for and making that market that much bigger and making it so that the consumer that comes on the site knows that this product can work for them and what they want to use it for. That's also great. We'll then also have a free shipping and 30-day guarantee, and you can change this to what your guarantee is. If it's 90 days, if it's just free shipping that you offer, we always have that at the bottom of our product page. Okay, so that's the main way that we will do the product page here. I'm going to show you after how you can actually customize this using the theme to actually add a few extras such as FAQs and drop downs and things like that. But we'll get into that now. So the next thing I want to do once we've got the product sorted, okay, and click save, is we'll want to actually add the theme. Okay, so to do this, click on online store themes and click on customize. Okay, well actually no, you can, if you want to use the Dawn theme, you can click customize. I always recommend using the Sense theme. It's the theme that we used last year to do 0 to 500,000 pounds in sales on literally just the Sense theme. So to do this, click on visit theme store, click on explore themes. Well, Sense is already here, but click on free, and here you'll see Sense on the right. Okay, then you want to click try theme, and here you'll want to add the theme then to your main theme on the store by clicking publish that you'll see here. Okay, so down here, once this theme is added in, we'll click publish, and again I'm going to go through sort of how you can actually customize this theme to get the best professional looking site for your store. Again, it doesn't need to be amazing, like it's a free theme on Shopify. It doesn't need to be loads of changing bits of text and loads of crazy sort of different bits of custom code and things like that. Obviously they're nice, and if you can get your hands on them, they're great. But it can be really simple as long as the messaging and the actual copy and all the images look professional. So click publish here on this. Okay. And once we do this, we'll click customize. So once we're in here now, click on customize. This is where you can customize the different pages. So you can customize the home page. I always recommend customizing on mobile. So you can customize the home page here, right? So you can select your image, you can change this bit of text, you can change, make sure this button goes to your actual, your actual product. So again, click on this tab to get back to the home page. And we can go through and we can add different sections. So we can add a section here that may be, let's say a collapsible row. We can add FAQ in here that will also add to the product page. So you can add any of these things and then just drag and drop where you want it in the page. Okay, so that's sort of that's the home page there. What we want to do now is go actually into the product page right here, default product. And as you can see here, here's the product page that we've got in. Here's the description. And underneath the description, we may want to add in something like, I always disable this share button, but we'll want to click on add block. And in here, let's say we want to add a specifications tab. So this will be add block and customizable collapsible row. Here we'll want to add in specifications. And in here we'll want to give example and loads of the specifications here that you can honestly just copy from like Amazon or something like that. You could also then add a section in here if you wanted to of let's see, what have we got? We want to add in, let's say we want to add in some testimonials. We can add in a multi-column. It actually is. It's not a multi-row. It's a multi-column. So if we want to add in a multi-column right here, we can actually add in reviews, customer reviews. So you can put in, say, an image in here. You can put in the name. So say what the review is. Amazing vest, Sarah. And then underneath here you can have what Sarah has to say in the description with an image that you can probably take from, say, Amazon or something like that. Okay, and that's to get some initial social proof. So again, you can go through these sections, see which ones you want to add, and you can get that sorted, right? So what we want to do now is click on save. And another thing that we want to just get sorted is the navigation of the actual site. Okay, so clicking on navigation here, you'll see here the main menu is now currently home and contact. So what we want to do is we want to add a menu item, and we want to actually add a shop now menu tab. Okay, click on the products, and here you'll see your product, and then click add. Okay, drag it up into the middle, and that's where you want it here. So click save. So now you've got home, shop now, and contact, and here's what this looks like on your page now. Home, shop now, contact. Right, if you click on contact, here we go. We've got a little bit of text in here as well. Yours won't come with this, so what you need to do is go to pages, go to the contact page, and in here where it says the content, just put in something like this here. Pause this video and put in something like this here and click save. Okay, now that's the main things out of the way. What I want to cover just quickly is the reviews. So how you can get reviews on your page. So what you can do is go on the judge.me app on Shopify. So go to apps, search for judge.me. Okay, you might need to actually open it. Here it is, judge.me. Download this app, okay, and follow a video that I'm going to have in the description of this YouTube video that I made on TikTok that allows you to make custom reviews. Okay, it allows you to make free custom reviews that you can import onto your product page, say 30, 40, 50, that you can make yourself, add in that social proof that you need, take the real reviews from Amazon, plug them into the spreadsheet, and upload them to judge.me. Again, link for that is in the description. I've got a full video on that there, okay? So now the main things that I want to cover now is just a few more settings. So just the main thing is the payments. So make sure your payments are set up so that you can accept payments from customers. This is hugely important, as if you don't have this set up, customers won't be able to check out. Okay, so make sure that your information is all in. I need to update my information here, but make sure that it's all in there. Shopify verified it. You've given your identification as well, and then your PayPal too. You can set this up, so you can set up a business PayPal. You can link it here, and that will allow you to accept payments for customers on PayPal. Some customers only actually pay with PayPal. Okay. Then the other thing is shipping and delivery. So the main thing you want to do here is, you'll see here for you, it'll say general, and then it'll have all the countries. What you want to do is you want to click on that, and you'll want to delete all the other zones that you don't want. Okay, so say delete every single zone. So now you've got no zones here, right? Then you want to click create zone. And then you want to put in the countries for your zone that you want to ship to. So say for me, it's the United Kingdom, right? Let's see. I'm going to put zone name UK and United Kingdom. Put this in right here. We're going to do all of them and we're going to click done. Okay. Then you can go in here and you can add rate. And rate type is use flat rate. Express shipping 1 to 3 days. So we're actually going to have to change this to standard free shipping, and it shows you below what that looks like. And then you can put the price in. So I always just keep it to free and then click done. Okay. And you can go through and you can change the pricing depending on the weight and things like that. But free shipping is always something that I will always give for every single product in store. It's just sort of a given nowadays. Okay. The next thing is after you've got that set up is just a test order. Okay. And the test order is huge in terms of making sure that you actually get your site up and working and activated. Okay, so before you do a test order, just make sure that you go to online store, and right here where it says your online store's password is protected, remove this password. If it doesn't let you remove this password, it means you haven't got the plan yet. So again, click the link in the description to if you want to get the special offer. If you've already done that, it should say by now that your 3 days free trial is up and you need to get the £1, $1, €1 special offer for that month. So click on here, click on the bottom right if it's there. If it's not there, click on settings and click on plan, and then pick the basic plan for Shopify for that £1, $1, €1. And that means then you can set your store live and you can actually start taking payments from customers. Okay. So that's one of the last things that we actually need to cover, apart from the last thing, which is going to be a test payment. Okay, so let me get this document up for you right here so that you can actually see how to set a test payment. Okay, so the PDF for this will be in the description. It's a simple step-by-step tutorial on how to set up your payments. So it'll be go to payments, click manage, enter shipping address, all of your details, and you need to set up like the test order, right? So it's all in there. It shows you what cards to use to make sure that you don't get paid, that you don't have to pay with your own card. And it's all there for you to set up. So that PDF's in the description. It's very easy. And that's the final thing. Just make sure that you do an overall check over your store. Make sure everything works. All the buttons work. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And again, make sure to activate your plan if you haven't already and get going with Shopify and really commit to it as well. So any questions, drop them in the comments. And thanks for watching.